Yesterday I said something important. Skills alone don't make you money, so today I'm going to show you exactly why and what actually does. To really understand this, let's take a very common real-world example. Picture a creative and ambitious person, eager to build a new career for themselves. They decide to learn video editing. They dive in, spending 2 to 3 intense weeks glued to tutorials, practicing cuts, and mastering effects. After all that hard work, they feel a surge of confidence. They've acquired a valuable new skill. They can genuinely edit videos, and they're proud of what they can create. But then comes the crucial next step, trying to earn money with that skill. And that's where everything grinds to a halt. Nothing happens. The inbox stays empty. No clients, no projects, no income, just silence. The initial excitement fades, replaced by doubt and frustration. Naturally, they assume the problem is the skill itself. Maybe I'm not good enough, they think. Maybe I need to learn more advanced techniques. But it's not. The skill was never the issue. The truth is, most people are trying to make money with only one piece of the puzzle, but income doesn't work that way. A skill alone is not a business. A skill is just potential. To turn it into income, you need a system. And that system has 3 parts. First is the skill. This is your ability to solve a problem. Editing, writing, design, marketing. But here's the key. A skill has no money attached to it by default. It only becomes valuable when it is used correctly. The second pillar is distribution, and honestly, this is the critical juncture where most people, even incredibly talented ones, stumble and fail. It's the great filter that separates the successful from the unknown. You can spend years honing your craft, becoming a master in your field. But it all amounts to very little if you neglect this crucial step. Because even if you are exceptionally good, a true prodigy at what you do, if nobody ever sees your work, you earn nothing. No clients, no sales, no recognition. Your skill exists in a vacuum. This is precisely why so many highly skilled people stay stuck, frustrated that their expertise isn't translating into income or impact. So, what does distribution actually look like? It can take many forms, such as consistent content creation, sharing your knowledge and showcasing your abilities online, leveraging freelancing platforms to get in front of clients who are actively looking to hire. Direct outreach, proactively connecting with potential customers or collaborators. And strategic personal brand building, which ties all these efforts together. But after seeing thousands of creators try and fail, here's the fundamental truth I've learned. Most people don't fail because of a lack of skills. They have the talent. They fail because of a lack of visibility. They haven't mastered the art of getting seen. Third is the offer. This is where everything becomes real income. Most people say, I can edit videos, but they don't say, I will edit 10 viral reels for your business in 48 hours. So the full system is, skill, gives you ability distribution, gives you attention offer, converts attention into money. That is the real structure behind income. This is why you'll see average skilled people earning, while highly skilled people stay stuck. Because income doesn't reward skill alone, it rewards system design. Once you understand this, you stop trying to learn more skills and start building a system around the skills you already have. I hope this breakdown gave you a clear, high-level understanding of how all the pieces fit together. If this approach to learning complex systems resonates with you, consider subscribing to the channel. My goal is to demystify the technology that powers our world, and I release new videos just like this one every single day. By subscribing, you'll get a steady stream of practical insights, helping you build a comprehensive mental model of how modern software and businesses operate. Now, if you're ready to move from theory to practice and want the deeper, step-by-step implementation guide, I share that exclusively in my free newsletter. The link is waiting for you in the description below. It's where I provide the actionable blueprints and code snippets so you can start building. And speaking of building, I've also curated a list of the essential tools and software I personally use and recommend to help you build these systems faster and more efficiently.